Hey y'all, this is Anna Alexander. Welcome to Dish About the Dish Happy Hour, where we are on our journey through all 1,200 plus cocktails in the International Bartender's Guidebook, copyright 1996. And today I am hosting a small holiday gathering for my friends and family. We are all vaccinated, if not also boosted, because, man, life's short and I want to be around the people I adore, because who knows what tomorrow's going to bring. But a party means I can bust out one of the punch recipes. And so today I will be making the artillery punch. Couldn't find online where this recipe came from. Wormer Little Thread said that it was possibly more popular in the 70s. And it's called the artillery punch because there's a lot of liquor in it and it packs a bomb of a punch. So we shall see, because some of these ingredients are interesting and I would not have thought to put them together. So let's get to it. And as always, when I'm making a punch recipe, I will put at the end of this video how much all the ingredients cost to purchase in order to put this together. Now, if you've seen some of my punch recipes in the past, you know that I have a problem equating volume of liquid to the size of my container. So I'm going to make this recipe in half the amounts that is listed in the book. But the purchase amount I will have at the end will be for the full recipe. It'll make sense later, I promise. So here is a half recipe of the arterial punch. And it starts, so I'm gonna start with 2 cups of black tea. And this is loose leaf tea, so I am gonna strain it just to make sure I don't get any little tea leaves in there. Groovy. Now I gotta clean this. Okay. So now to our liquors. I've got 2 cups of bourbon. Yes, I got the big boy from Costco. Let me find my cup. 2 cups here. That's right, half a recipe, which means a full recipe is a whole quart of bourbon. I really hope my container is big enough. Sweet. And then we're going to add to that 4 ounces of Jamaican rum. I don't know why Jamaican specifically, but I'm going with what the book says. Smells like rum, which is delightful. And then to this, we have 3 ounces of Apricot Brandy. I've seen recipes where there's like Benedictine, which I don't know what that is, and other different whiskeys and such in here. So I guess to each their own. If you find a recipe you like, stick with it. 3 ounces Apricot Brandy. That smells delightful. Okay, I'm doing good so far. Doing good so far. Okay, and now we have 2 cups of orange juice. Looks pretty. Not at all. And then we have 4 ounces of lemon juice. Ooh. Then lastly, 1/8 of a cup of sugar. I think you would put the sugar in first. Hey, look at that. I made something that actually fit into the container. Okay, so this is definitely something you want to make ahead so all of those ingredients can meld together. It does recommend chilling for at least an hour. So I'm going to put this in the fridge for a bit and we'll taste test it in a moment because that tea's still hot. So we'll be back in a tick. So it's been about an hour and we are now going to try our punch. It does say to serve it over ice, which I'm going to do. No garnishes are listed. However, I have seen a few pictures with maraschino cherries, and I find that delightful and fun. So I'm going to add, my last cherry. Ooh. Ta-da! To make it look just a little bit festive. Probably could add a little slice of orange on there since there's orange juice in it. But here we go, the artillery punch. Tastes like alcohol. It's not sweet at all. A little bit citrusy. I could taste the rum. I could taste the bourbon. That's what I'm tasting. Bourbon with a little slight citrus overtone after it. And I can see why people say this is dangerous is because you don't feel the burn of alcohol. So I can see you guzzling this really quickly and then feeling the effects. It's not bad. It's not a bad drink at all. If somebody were to offer this to me, I drink it, but it's not my favorite. Not like that Applejack punch I made back in May. That was delicious. This is just okay. But maybe with some of those other recipes, it punches up the punch a little bit more. I don't know. I'm on the fence about this one. I will probably finish this glass and then I will call it good, which makes me really happy that I only made a pitcher's worth because I cannot drink the whole thing. Good thing I'm not, because hopefully my friends will be here soon and we will finish it off together. So thank you again for joining me. If you have another recipe for the arterial punch that you enjoy, please let me know because I would love to give it another try. See if maybe we can jazz it up a little bit more. Maybe those little accoutrements like an orange slice would brighten it up a bit. Let me know what you think. And again, thank you for joining me. If you haven't done so already, hit subscribe so you can be alerted when we make another one of the 1,200 plus recipes we have to go. So until next time, y'all, thanks.